Now we all know that 12900K is an amazing processor. मतलब बढ़िया है, 16 कोर है, 8 performance core, 8 efficiency core. Now this processor can actually draw up to 300 watts on multi-threaded multi-core workload. मतलब वो insane है. Now if you think about it, even NHD 15 throttles, मतलब 100 degrees तक चला जाएगा even on NHD 15, which is one of the best air coolers. And almost every 360 mm AIO नहीं चलने वाला है. So the question is, how the do we cool this damn thing? Now before we talk about this amazing build and the cooling performance that we have achieved on this liquid cooling build, what I'd like to quickly point out are the specs. Majority of specs are on your screen, but what I do want to really talk about is this amazing motherboard. ये motherboard है MSI का EK water block version, Carbon EK कहते हैं इसको. Now the unique thing about this is इसका heatsink actually covers your VRMs and covers your SSD. So in case Gen 5 SSD is not really hot, in the future that is, this will actually be able to cool it. If you look closely, we have a 360 mm cooler which is 54 mm thick. This big black and thick radiator is actually helping it because जितना थिक आपका रेडिएटर है आपका उतना ज्यादा एक्सचेंज सरफेस रहता है जिससे ज्यादा कूलिंग हो सकती है. Now let's talk about the cooling performance. This pleasantly surprises because this runs at a 29 degrees idle temperature. 29 degrees a 1200K. आंखों को विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ. बट व्हाट ज्यादा विश्वास इस बात पे नहीं हुआ कि 69 डिग्रीज लोड पे चल रहा है. व्हाट यू गॉट टू कीप इन माइंड इज आवर एम्बिएंट टेंपरेचर इज 20 डिग्रीज सॉलिड. मूविंग अहेड, another unique component which we've used for the first time is the XD7 pump reservoir from Corsair. It looks amazing. Actually front में 3 fan वाला look देता है, लेकिन इसका जैसे connection protocol है as decided by Corsair is not that great. क्योंकि you got to connect all those connections as per the manual only. Even if you're not installing a GPU, you still got to connect the GPU and GPU out to make the liquid flow through the entire reservoir. It's not like a traditional reservoir where you can take a connection as per your choice. So guys, that was how we cooled this amazing build. And yeah, like, share and subscribe. Watch our other videos too. We make amazing videos almost every day.